Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making Origami Mouse. To create this model, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be starting with the diagonal fold. Now bring these two sides to the center crease. This is called as kite base. Fold this triangle up. Then open the flaps and fold the triangle inside, then overlap the other two flaps. Bring these two sides to the center crease. Fold the model into half horizontally. Now open this flap and fold it as demonstrated. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now you can see 3 flaps on this side. Take the first flap and fold it perpendicularly and make a sharp crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too by aligning these 2 points. This is the pre-creasing which will help you in the next step. Open the flap and flatten it by aligning to the ears like this. Then fold this triangle and tuck it in. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Open the flap and from the tail side flatten it, then align the ears. Then flatten the model as shown. Then tuck in the triangle. Now you will be able to open the ears like this. Leave 1 finger gap here, and to create the tail, fold down the flap straight like this and make a sharp crease. Open the flap and on the same line fold it back. It will help you to do the inside reverse fold. This is called inside reverse fold. Now lift the flap up. Then keep the tail direction diagonal. Open the flap and bring 2 sides to the center crease to give the thinner shape to the tail. Origami mouse is done. You can draw the details on it. Do check out the description box below for more origami products. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.